Brick masonry work. Contents. Apparatus required. Laying of brick and cement to check brick alignment. Apparatus required. Here we use concrete blocks, each of size. Cement mortar. We have a ratio of 1:3. 1 part of cement and 3 part of M sand. Trowel. Float. Linear wooden batten and a linear metal. Hand gloves. Mason square. Plumb bob. Laying of brick and cement. First we have to mark the size of the room using a measuring tape and a thread or a Appro tape. Here we have used a thread which is tied from one end to the other end. The first layer of brick has been constructed. A thread is tied from end to end to maintain the brick alignment. Cement mortar of 1 inch thickness is applied on the and is leveled using a trowel or a float. Once done, the second layer of brick has to be laid above the first layer of bricks. There should be a gap between each bricks. A gap of ½ inch or 3/4 inch should be laid between two bricks. Now the gap has to be filled by cement mortar. And then the same process repeats. In few areas we require lesser size of brick, so we can break the existing size by a hammer or a metal rod. To check brick alignment, the vertical alignment of the brick wall can be measured using a plumb bob. The top portion of the plumb bob will be fixed on the top brick, and the plumb bob deviations from the brick can be used to measure the alignment. For example, in the first diagram, the plumb bob is placed on the top brick. The triangular bob has a more gap from the wall, which means the top brick is away from the vertical alignment. In second diagram, the triangular bob has a slight gap between the walls, which means the top brick is aligned vertically. Whereas in the third diagram, the bob strikes the wall, which means the top brick is inside of the vertical alignment. To check the horizontal alignment of the brick wall, we can use a wooden batten or a tubular steel. Here we have used a tubular steel to check the horizontal alignment of the brick wall.